First place, who is 8? Number 8.
Oh, that's you! Yay! Evelyn, you won!
My goodness. All right, Miss Evelyn.
You have to go get your prize.
Yep, I have your prize. I have to give you your prize, okay? And then we have a 3-way tie for 2nd and 3rd place. We have 3 votes for number 18, 3 votes for number 13, 3 votes for number 20, and 3 votes for 14. So who's 18 first?
Right here.
I mean, who's 18?
Right here.
Oh! All right.
Okay.
And then we have 20. Who's number 20?
Right here.
20 is Shirley. All righty. And 13 is Hey, that's Ruth. And 14
Yeah.
So
Good
this
job.
one, I won't remember who you are, so for the staff, come and tell me because I don't remember right now. I won't remember tomorrow. So I'm going to take some pictures. What is